According to the picture, it is a sunny day, but for me it is a rainy day, and you can also hear the pitter patter sound of this rain. Okay, so in this picture we can see a bright sun here, so it is a sunny day in this picture. So we have to take the correct one, which is it is a sunny day. Now number 2, the children are at home, the children are in a park. The children are at home. The children are in a park. The children are in a park. So as we can see in the picture, the children are in a park. So this is the correct one. Okay. Number 3. In the 3 number we have they are reading or they are playing. They are reading and they are playing. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this marker now. So they are reading or they are playing. So obviously they are in a park. That means they are playing in the park. Number 3. I will now write the 4 number here. The last one. They are happy or they are sad. They are happy or they are sad. So if they are in a park and they are playing, it means they are happy, because every children got very happy whenever they go to the park. They got to play with the other children in the park. Okay, so this is the question number J from this page number. Now I will do the question number K. So in this K number we have sit in a circle, take turns to finish the story. So I think we don't have to write anything on the board from this exercise. Okay. So in the K number we have sit in a circle and take turns to finish the story. When we were children and when I was children, we always played like this with my other friends. Okay, we always sit in a circle and always try to tell something which is very interesting as a children for us. Okay, so what you have to do, sit in a circle. So you guys can sit in a circle with your parents and take turns to finish the story. So here is a one boy who is telling a story to the other friends. One day I saw a baby squirrel in the park. वो कह रहा है, एक दिन मैंने अपने पार्क में एक छोटी सी गिलहरी के बच्चे को देखा था. ओके, देन हियर इज वन गर्ल. ओके, एंड हियर इज वन गर्ल इज सेइंग इट वाज क्लाइंबिंग अ ट्री. और वो बोल रही है कि वो पेड़ पर चढ़ रहा था. एंड हियर इज द थर्ड वन इज ट्राइंग टू से समथिंग विच इज नॉट कंप्लीट हियर. द ट्री हैड एंड द फुल स्टॉप. मतलब वो यहाँ पे बोलना तो चाह रहे थे कि द पेड़ पर, बट आगे उसे बोलने नहीं दिया गया कि सब अपनी अपनी कहानियाँ सुनाने में लगे थे. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर के यू हैव. ओके, एज अ लास्ट एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर 2. एंड आई हैव फिनिश्ड द whole chapter, the explanation, the hard work, the important exercises, the other exercises from this chapter. Now what I have to give you, I have to give you the question answer of the chapter 1 and the chapter 2 also. I know that. Okay, so I will give you the question answer in a one video. Okay, so what you have to do from this chapter, you have to 1 minute. So for second we have the poem We Love Nature, and draw the picture of a school and write the poem in your notebook. This is the two things you have to do in your notebook for the poem. Then you have a chapter 2, Magic in the Park, and you have to draw the picture of a germination of seed. Then you have to draw the picture of a fairy or a flower as your own choice. It depends on you. Okay. So and the third one, what you have to do, as a third you have to write the hard words from this chapter, and in the fourth number you have to write the question number A from the page number 21, which is true or false. Then you have to write down the question number B from the page number 22 from this chapter, which is read these sentences and answer the question. It's a one word answering question. Okay, so this is the exercises you have to do in your notebook. Then I will give you the question answer, then you can write the question answer of this chapter in your notebook. Okay, so this is enough for today's video. So okay, so I have completed the chapter 2. I will give you the question answer in the next video, but I will continue the chapter 3 in this video. Okay, because I have time, that's why. Chapter 3, and chapter name is Appu and the Carrot. Appu and the Carrot. Okay, this is the chapter name. Now I will tell you some hint of this story. Okay, so Appu and the Carrot, as you can see the chapter name, Appu is the special name and the carrot is a gajar. Okay, I think you guys know what is carrot here. Okay, so here we have some picture, and in the first picture we have Naveen did not bring crayons to school. What should Priya do? Tick the correct box. Okay, Naveen is a student here, and Priya is his friend, and Naveen did not bring crayons to school. आज वो अपना ड्राइंग लाना भूल गया है. So what should Priya do? Tick the correct box. तो प्रिया को क्या करना चाहिए यहाँ पे? प्रिया यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हमने, हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है बट इन अ पिक्चर फॉर्म. यहाँ पे प्रिया नवीन मांग रहा है और प्रिया उसे दे रही है. तो सेकंड पिक्चर को हमने टिक किया बिकॉज प्रिया वाज शेयरिंग here her crayons with Naveen, that's why. And here is the second one. Alia forgot to bring lunch to school. Now here is Alia who forgot to bring the lunch to school. And what should Harry do? अब हैरी को क्या करना चाहिए आलिया के लिए, क्योंकि वो अपना लंच भूल गए. सो हैरी इज शेयरिंग his lunch with Priya. Okay, so this is the answer of this one is also a true. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या सीखने को मिला? We always have to share things और we always have to help them who was in need. Okay, हमें उन लोगों की हमेशा मदद करनी चाहिए जिनको मदद की ज़रूरत हो. ओके, चाहे वो बड़ी से बड़ी मदद हो या छोटी से छोटी. ओके, एज अ फ्रेंड वी हैव टू डू दिस. ओके, कहते हैं ना, अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. ओके, सो दिस इज द मोरल ऑफ दिस exercise. Appu loves carrot halwa. Okay, here is a character Appu, as you can also say a protagonist here. Appu loves carrots. I think you guys will ask what is the meaning of ma'am protagonist. Protagonist in a common language we can say a main character. Okay, protagonist हम उसको बोलते हैं जिसके इर्द गिर्द कहानी घूमती है. जैसे कि एलिस इन वंडरलैंड, वहाँ पे जो कहानी है वो किसके साथ चल रही है? एलिस के साथ. तो यहाँ पे भी जो कहानी है वो अप्पू के साथ हो रही है. तो अप्पू इज़ अ मेन कैरेक्टर एंड द सेकेंड कैरेक्टर इज कैरट है. तो अप्पू लव्स कैरट हलवा. अप्पू को गाजर का हलवा काफ़ी पसंद है. ग्रैंडमा मेक्स टेस्टी कैरट हलवा, सो अप्पू गेट सम कैरट सीड्स फ्रॉम अ शॉप एंड प्लांट्स देम. अप्पू की जो दादी है वो उसके लिए हमेशा कैरट का हलवा बनाया करती थी. तो अप्पू क्या करता है, एक दिन जाता है मार्केट और गाजर के बीज खरीद कर ले आता है शॉप से और उसे अपने घर के यार्ड में गाड़ देता है, बो देता है. ही waters the seed every day and the seeds grows into a baby carrots. वो क्या करता था, जहाँ पर उसने बीज को लगाया था वहाँ पर डेली वो पानी देता था और वो देख रहा था धीरे धीरे जो वो पेड़ आ रहा है, इट मीन्स गाजर है जो वो ज़मीन के अंदर बन रहा है. Do you know what happens to one of the seeds? Okay, तो सारे गाजर को तो वो नोटिस कर ही रहा था, क्योंकि वो रोज पानी दे रहा, उसने शौक से ला के लगाया था ताकि जब ये बड़े हो जाएंगे तो मैं इनका हलवा बना के खाऊंगा। तो वो क्या करता है, एक नोटिस करता है, उसमें से एक, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा, डू यू नो व्हाट हैपन्स टू द वन सीड, क्या तुम जानते हो कि एक सीड के साथ क्या हुआ था? So we will know about this in the next video. Okay, I will not continue this story in this video. हम आगे जानेंगे कि what happened to the one seed in this video. Till then, take care and be safe and be curious. Okay.